Hey guys, welcome back to the Python networking series. Today we're going to be outlining the TCP client class. This should be somewhat similar to the server class, but there are a couple of key differences. So we're going to go ahead and create a Python file called tcpclient.py, and we're going to import socket and threading because we're going to have multiple threads again. We're going to do a class tcpclient. And these are the methods that we're going to have. So we're going to have a constructor, and we're just going to pass self in. We are going to have a run method, def run. I forgot to put pass. God damn it. Alright. Next we're going to have a server thread. So this is going to be more like the client thread in the service. So this is going to be a private method. This is going to handle all the incoming messages from the server. Next we're going to want an input thread. So def input thread. It's just going to be input from the console. We're also going to have a send thread, or a send method, sorry. Once again, I'm going to add in parameters after, and then we're going to have a couple of callbacks. So we just have client connected, we're going to have server disconnected, and then message received. So now let's get into the parameters of each one. So for the constructor, we're going to pass in the exact same thing, just a little different, or not. It's not the exact same thing. It is pretty much the same. So IP address, port, packet size. But instead of has commands, it's has input, because this is an input thread instead of a command thread. So this is going to equal false by default. The run method will take nothing. Server thread will take nothing. Input thread will take nothing. The send is going to be message and then do in code is equal to true. That's just going to, once again, if the pass-in message is a string, and then the client connected will take nothing, server disconnected will take nothing, and then message received will just take MSG as that. So yeah, that is the outline of the TCP client class. In the next video, we're going to be adding all the code. That should be a singular video, and after that, we will finally get to creating a test. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.